Hey new moms, ready to flatten your belly after pregnancy? These 6 quick moves are super effective and safe for you, so watch the complete video for better results. Let's get started. First exercise. Benefit: targets love handles and tones the waist. Oh dear. Stand tall, hands behind your head. Lift one knee to meet the opposite elbow, crunching at the side. Next exercise. Benefit: strengthens lower back and core. Oh dear. Lie on your back, knees bent. Tilt your pelvis up, tightening your core as you exhale. Next exercise. Benefit: safely engages core muscles. Oh dear. On elbows and knees, hold your body straight, core tight. Hold for 20-30 seconds. Next exercise. Benefit: targets lower belly. Oh dear. Lie on your back, knees bent. Crunch up to meet your knees with your elbows. Next exercise. Benefit: boost digestion and core strength. Oh dear. Sit tall with bent knees, twist your torso side to side. Next exercise. Benefit: strengthens lower abs, hips, and glutes. Oh dear. Lie on your back, knees bent. Lift hips up, squeeze your glutes, then lower down. Subscribe for more workouts videos. Thanks for watching.